In this video, you'll learn how to run Clawdbot as an administrator. This process will enable you to utilize the application with elevated permissions, which may be necessary for certain functionalities. Begin by locating the search box on your Windows taskbar. This is typically found in the lower left corner of your screen. Once you see the search box, click on it to activate it. Next, type Windows PowerShell into the search box. As you type, a list of search results will populate. It is important to ensure that you are looking for the correct entry, which should state Windows PowerShell. After that, right-click on the Windows PowerShell result. A context menu will appear, providing various options related to PowerShell. This is a crucial step as it allows you to run PowerShell with administrative privileges. Proceed by selecting the Run as Administrator option from the context menu. You may see a user account control prompt asking for permission to allow PowerShell to make changes to your device. Confirm this prompt by clicking Yes. At this point, the Windows PowerShell window will open. You will recognize it by the blue background and the command line interface displayed. This indicates that you are ready to enter commands. Type in the command OpenClaw into the PowerShell window. It is essential to ensure that you type this command precisely to avoid errors. Once you have entered the command, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Wait for the OpenClaw application to initialize. Depending on your system's performance and the current workload, this process may take some time. Be patient as the application prepares to launch. It might take a while for OpenClaw to start up completely. During this time, you may see loading indicators or other visual cues that signify the application is in the process of launching. Once OpenClaw opens, you will see the interface displayed on your screen. At this moment, you should be aware that the application is running with administrative privileges, allowing you to access all features and settings. You can now configure various applications just like in plugins. This flexibility is beneficial for managing your environment effectively. Type in OpenClaw plugins or OpenClaw onboarding to explore further integration options. This will help you understand how to maximize the use of Clawdbot in your workflows. Finally, you will see a list of all apps that you can integrate with OpenClaw. This feature allows for greater customization and functionality within your setup. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.